Good day, Prof. How are you feeling today?
Good. It is such a lovely day today, and I'm actually excited for this interview. I can't wait to share my experiences and knowledge with everyone.
That's great to hear. Can you tell us how long you've been in this field?
Of course, I've been a professor since 2017, and I've seen a lot of passionate students, and even students who are close to giving up. But I always remind them to remember the first reason or the reason why they chose this program in the first place.
Well, much respect for you, Prof.
Thank you.
So let me start by asking, based on your experience, how do you define multimedia?
For me, multimedia is the coming together of different media modalities like text, audio, visual, graphics, and animation to create meaning. What I find interesting is how these modalities don't just coexist, they work together as a whole. And when I teach, I always tell to my students that multimedia isn't just tools, it's a way of structuring experiences. The moment you combine sound with visuals or text with imagery, you create richer understandings.
I also agree with you, Prof. I also think multimedia isn't just form of uh, entertainment or decoration. It's a powerful way to communicate our ideas creatively and meaningfully. Now, why do you think multimedia studies matter so much today?
Multimedia studies combines creativity, technology, and culture, drawing from fields like computing, design, and communication. It doesn't just teach us how to make things, it teaches us how multimedia works or how media works, how people interpret it, and how it shapes our society. Understanding multimedia today is a form of literacy.
I like how you emphasize multimedia as both a field of study and a form of literacy. Thank you so much, Prof, for sharing your insights. Thank you for joining me today, Ali.
Thank you also for inviting me.
You've been a content creator since pandemic, right?
Yes, I think I started when I was 18 during pandemic. Kasi I love watching contents rin talaga. So I just tried posting a random video and it actually blew up.
So, how has the experience been so far? Since you're a student who is also content creator, how have you managed it?
It's been fun and unforgettable experience of my teenage life. Pero may mga times din talaga napapaisip ako kung itutuloy ko pa ba to. Pero yung mga natutunan ko ay helpful din sa journey na to. Like, natutunan kong i-improve yung video and audio quality, kung paano gumawa pa ng mga engaging content, and inisip ko rin yung mga na-experience ng mga audience ko.
That's interesting. How do you see these lessons helping you in the future?
They taught me that content creation isn't just fun. It's about planning, skill, and understanding your audience.
Any advice for student who wants to pursue content creation?
Start small, be consistent, and think about how your audience experiences your content, not just the technical side.
Can you introduce yourself to everyone?
Sure, I'm the head video editor of the movie Isa Pa With Feelings, which is a romantic drama about two people navigating love and music while dealing with personal challenges.
That's amazing. As the editor, how did you approach telling this story through your editing?
Alam mo, sa movie na 'to, hindi lang siya puro cut and paste. May authoring process talaga. Pinag-isipan namin yung flow, timing, at kung paano made-deliver yung emotions sa bawat scenes. Every cut, pacing, at transition had to work together para maramdaman ng audience yung story.
Can you give a specific example from the movie where your editing choices really shaped the scene?
Yung role kasi ni Sir Carlo, deaf siya. So, kailangan namin ipakita how he feels the music kahit hindi niya naririnig. Kaya, sinabay namin yung cuts sa rhythm nung pinlay ni Miss Min yung song. Simple cut lang siya, pero naging malaki yung impact. And naging mas heartfelt yung moment. Na-realize ko din na kahit maliit na adjustments lang yung gawin, maiiba yung buong emotions ng isang scene.
And how did working on this movie help you grow as a multimedia person?
Ang dami ko talagang natutunan. Kailangan yung balance ng technical skills, timing, audio-video sync, transitions, kailangan rin ng creative choices like colors, lighting, at mood. Kailangan lahat ng yan sa pag-create ng multimedia product. Na-realize ko na every detail affects how audience receives the story. And dadalala ko yun sa lahat ng future projects ko.